YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Guapo. Be back with another video, man. Today, as you see, we got the cat back out. We finna do another little POV. It is somewhat, they say it's afternoon, shit like that. So, like I said, man, we gonna take the cat out. We gonna have some fun. But the first stop we gotta take it to is the gas station, cause I got no gas in this bitch. Anyways, let's get me a little semi-cold start in real quick. Nothing too crazy. Nothing. Can't show the license plate. Alright, man, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, as you see, we in the whip, and as you guys can tell, I ain't got no gas for real. So we finna take ourselves right to the gas station, because all this driving around, I'll be damned I gotta push the cat. As you see, we in sport mode, so we finna have just a little bit of fun. But the one thing is, my car is not warmed up like that, so I'm gonna baby it a little bit, and then I might go ahead and get up on it, you know what I'm saying, when it warms up a little bit. But let's go ahead and get the fuck out of here. Alright. Anyways, man, Guapo gang, what's good? What's poppin'? What y'all been up to? I know that me personally, I gotta get more consistent on my videos. I know I've been slacking and shit, but wait. I know I've been slacking, but I just need to organize shit. Like, you feel me? I gotta figure out a plan with some of my shit, cause I want organized content. I don't want no shit that's kind of all over the place and stuff like that. Hold up. I ain't gonna lie, I think the sunroof might be a little too much. Ooh, look at that big TRX that I'm finna hit. Let me stop. But anyways, y'all, like I said, we finna go to the gas station. We finna go fill this shit up. I lied, not filling this shit up, but I'm finna put some gas in it. But like I said, man, be sure to watch the whole video, y'all. Please, watch the whole video, man. Listen, like I said, my first video I did with the scatpack, that shit did phenomenal. Y'all give me them scatpack numbers. Oh, man, she sounds so good. Damn, she sound good. Go ahead, get over real quick. People driving a little slow, you heard? But it's a nice little day, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. I think my window's a little too loud. Hold on. There we go. Maybe nothing too crazy right there. I hate being by these trucks and shit. Alright, y'all, we finna get a little bridge pull up here. You know, something a little slight, nothing too crazy. Hold up. 12 behind me, nothing like that. Alright, man, you ready? You ready? Damn, boy. Damn. Shit. I didn't even lose traction like that. And my tire's bald as a bitch, too. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, so we just got gas. You know what I'm saying? Racetrack. Shout out Racetrack. Alright, we back into it, boy. Let's get it. Hold on, what my temps looking like? Oh, yeah, them temps look good. Let's go ahead and give it a little pop. But anyways, y'all, be sure to subscribe, man. I got a lot of good content coming up here this next year. My birthday time is around the corner, and I got some big plans for the cat. So, what that means is you gotta stay tuned. If you ain't staying tuned, then how you gonna know what I did? Ooh, Popo and Girdle. Already. Anyway, let's go hop on this shit real quick. Singing. Why was that shit so loud beside me? What the fuck? Truck, what you got going, bro? What about trying to get off, man? Let's go ahead and get some pops in. Why not? Why not? Why not? He looking at me all crazy. Damn, baby. Come on, pop. There we go. All right, we'll push it back. She looking at me crazy too. I ain't gonna lie. Why they looking at me? They looking at me. Oh yes, sir. Anyways, oh yeah, they like that. Them kids like that. I should have got them on camera. Damn. Shit. Obey the stop signs. Oh boy, them brakes, boy, what the fuck? That was a good downshift. Y'all, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little POV drive. Like I said, if you guys like this kind of content, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Be sure to comment what you guys want me to pretty much do next. And me and Guapo are out.